Indian Air Force Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla is set to make history as he will become the first Indian to travel to the International Space Station. At 39, Shukla will pilot the SpaceX Dragon spacecraft from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida as part of the Axiom 4 mission, a collaboration between NASA and Axiom Space. With this, he will become only the second Indian to travel to space after Rakesh Sharma's historic journey in 1984. He will fly alongside Mission Commander Peggy Whitson, a former NASA astronaut, and 2 other crew members. Born on October 10, 1985 in Lucknow, Shubhanshu Shukla developed a love for aircraft after watching an air show as a child. He studied at City Montessori School. His path to the skies began when he took the NDA entrance exam almost by chance. He graduated from the NDA in 2005 and the Air Force Academy in 2006. He went on to become a decorated test pilot flying aircraft such as the Su-30 MKI, MiG-21, MiG-29, Dornier and AN-32 and clocking over 2,000 flying hours. His skill and calmness under pressure laid the foundation for his selection as an astronaut. Now let's have a look at his journey to space. Shubhanshu Shukla's journey to space began when PM Modi announced India's plans for a manned space mission in 2018. He was selected by ISRO in 2019 for astronaut training. In 2021, he trained at the Yuri Gagarin Cosmonaut Training Center in Moscow and later in Bengaluru. In 2024, he became a group captain and in early 2025, he was chosen as the pilot for the Axiom 4 mission. In a message ahead of the launch, Shukla called it an amazing journey and said that he feels fortunate to be part of something much larger than yourself. Inspired by Rakesh Sharma, he hopes to motivate future generations to pursue careers in space. Therefore, as Shubhanshu Shukla prepares for launch, he carries with him the hopes of 1 billion people and takes one more step forward in India's space dream.